All right, everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm doing my first video here. I'm gonna be doing reviews and video game stuff. So today I'm gonna do a cold weather test on the Searwood 600 XL by Weber. In Chicago right now, in the Chicagoland area right now, it is -13 feels like in a 2 degrees. So right now the Weber says it is 10 degrees in there. So I've had this for probably about like 3-4 months. I've used it a whole bunch of times, could use a good cleaning, but I'm gonna give a test right now because I've seen on Reddit and other channels people asking if it's going to work in cold temperatures. You know, I've seen people in Minnesota, post, will this work in Minnesota? Will this work in, cold temperatures in northern Wisconsin? But right now, it's, like I said, it's -13 feels like. So I'm going to set it to 300, and I'm going to test to see how long it's going to take to get to 300. Obviously, if you've seen the advertisements, this says it heats up in 15 minutes. However, that is a test when it's ambient temperature of 77. So no, I am not expecting this to heat up to even 300 in 15 minutes. So let's just give it a shot. I'm gonna turn this on. I mean, the screen is cold. You can see it's lagging a little bit even. I'm gonna put it to 300. And I'm gonna start this right now. And then what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to go to the app and get the precise timing on maybe get to 200, 250, 300, and then I'll let it run for about a half hour to see if the temperature holds in this extreme cold temperature. We'll be back. Hello everyone. We have the results from the cold weather test for the Weber Searwood. As you will see, at 8:40, it was at 10 degrees, and this thing reached 200 degrees at 8:54. So just 14 minutes to go from 10 degrees to 200. And then it reached 300, which was the set temperature, at 8:57. So in 17 minutes, it went from 10 degrees to 300 degrees. I'm extremely impressed with the performance. I have not been using it, honestly, the last couple of weeks because I have been concerned with it being so cold if it was going to be able to heat up in a timely fashion or if it was even going to hold the heat. And as you can see, because I've been letting it run, it has held consistent 300 for over a half hour. It has not even moved. And it is, the feel like right now is -12. So it is freezing cold. This thing is a beast. I love this smoker. I recommend it to everyone. And I might have to go out to the store and buy some ribs now because this has been a great test and I'm very impressed with the results.